Hello, in this video I want to show you how to play versus AI in War Thunder. So to do this, there's multiple different options, and first one is to click on under the bottle right here, and there's Assault Air Arcade or Assault Ground Arcade, and you can choose one of these options to play versus AI with other players. And another one for option to do it is to go for the battles right here, then find the single missions or dynamic campaigns, and you'll be able to choose a mission that you will play against AI with other AI. You can also invite squad members to play with your friends. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.